peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laura and this channel is called Life of a Sunflower. If any of you are new, welcome. I know I'm a person that likes to crochet, do all of those things, and today I'm going to do a little something different. I'm going to go more into like the fashion scene, and today what we're going to do is like a Pinterest challenge. Not like a Pinterest challenge, but something dealing with Pinterest, and I'm going to have Pinterest pick 3 looks for me, and I'm going to cover my eyes and just randomly scroll, and whatever my hand lands on, I am going to try to find whatever that's in my closet that can replicate that look. So we're gonna see how that goes. I have a lot of clothes, but I don't have like a lot of stuff. That's why I have my phone with me here. I'm gonna do my, y'all definitely can't see that. Ooh. Basically, it's my summertime fine board. I have it pulled up here. So yeah, let's do that right now. I'm kind of scared, but like, whatever happens, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the first picture that pulled up. Interesting. I have to add it to the other board. I know. Now round 2, let's do it. Okay, it's this photo right here. That's the second look. And then one more. Let me do that one more time. That really didn't land. Okay. And then this one. Very interesting. So I will be back eventually to show you all what I can find to try to put these looks together in my own way. So we'll be back to do that, okay? Okay guys, I have my suitcase out that I keep all my head wraps, head scarves. Now for this first look I want to do is the one with the red bandana kind of top. Now it looks like she has like a red bandana like corset top, but what I'm looking for, what I'm trying to do is replicate that, and the only thing I have is like a bandana I can make into a top. So I'm gonna look for that. Also gonna look for another red headscarf. I might have to go under my mom's bed to find that. But yeah, I keep a lot of my stuff in suitcases and stuff because I live in a tiny home, tiny house living, gang, okay? But yeah, I'm going to try to find all these things and I'll be back and show y'all what I got. Okay, hey guys. I found some scarves that I think could go with this. This kind of looks similar, not that much alike, but similar to what was on her head, so I'm going to try to put that on my head. I finally found my red bandana. I'm gonna make that a top. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. And then for the belt, she had like a brownish kind of multicolored thing as the belt. So I found this in my mom's stash and gonna try to make this a belt. So we'll see. So that's what I have for that. And then I'm gonna pull out the jeans. I think I'm gonna do a darker wash jeans because those are the only ones that are baggy. But we'll see. But next I'm about to grab the items for the second look, which is like the airy white kind of boho look. So let's try to find that. Okay guys, I am back and I found the materials for the next look number 2. It's kind of going to be difficult to kind of do this look because she has like a lot of key delicate pieces that are just so detailed, but I have head scarves, head wraps. I looked in my stash. This was some fabric I had cut a while ago, and this could be for the top. Like, you'll see whenever I put it on, but I do not have a lacy, or I did have like it's a long time ago, but a a creamish kind of not shawl, but it's kind of like a, not a sweater, but yeah, that was tassely, but that's long gone. I don't know where my mom's is. My mom had one as well. So I'm just gonna do another piece of fabric that was longer, make this into like a little shawl instead of a jacket or like sweater. So yeah. Then of course for the blue, however she ties around the skirt, I'm going to use this. It's a little more mellow blue, not a turquoise, but I still can make it work. I gotta work with what I got. Eventually we'll get to the accessories, but right now we just tried to find the little miscellaneous fabric pieces for the stuff. Now I'm going to move on to like tops for the third look, and then after that we're going to worry about bottoms. Okay, let's get to that. Okay, I went on and got the other top, and I also got the bottoms as well, so you can just get everything, get all my materials gathered. I'm kind of all over the place, but hey, found the top to replicate that third look. It kind of did like a hang crochet thing, but also whenever I put the outfit on, I'm gonna add like blue yarn to do like that extra that was done to it, to that other top, because this is just like a sewn top, but the other one had like more frillies. Not frillies, but like string, tassely stuff, whatever. So got that. Got my white skirt. It's shorter than the picture, but it's the only white skirt I have, so yeah. Well, take it back, now the only white skirt. I don't really have like a leather skirt at all, but I do have a white mini skirt as well. So I may do that with this top with some boots. We'll see. And then, of course, for that first look, I got the jeans. I'm gonna do a dark wash jeans. So we'll see how these looks look. I mean, I just pulled out the clothes. I'm not gonna put them on today. Honestly, I'm like actually exhausted and tired, but yeah, whenever I do, I have all the stuff pulled out. So yeah, until then, yeah, bye.
And when we're
your cries that can be heard from far and wide. Every time I look into your eyes, I see